just this, in case it throws the O2 code. This thing comes in handy. I gotta get it tuned still. Man, this thing is a beaut. Got insurance and everything on it, so we're good. Let's turn this heat up. Come on, man. Okay, 1 second. Fuck it. We're gonna drive it. My clutch is kind of clicking. Maybe it just needs warmed up. We'll see. I don't hear it no more. God damn, I miss this car, man. You don't even know how much I missed it. We're just gonna take it nice and easy right now. And just let her kind of get back to her full potential. Warm her up a little bit and just listen to the beauty. I don't like that. Yeah, let's go in the gas station. I'll be right back. Alright, so the clicking noise from the clutch has seemed to be on away, so that's good at least. Time's reset twice since I've driven this car. That's insane. Shit. Guess let's get back into it. There's a church up here, and we used to do what do you call them? I don't know what people call them, lock-ins. And you'd stay overnight. It was pretty cool. Back in the day. Play some Fortnite or something. Back when Fortnite first came out, before, no, they might have had, it might have been like season 4 or 5 by that point. There's definitely something by that point. Them fucking railroad tracks are ass. Oh shit. Let's get some sick photos or videos. All right. Shit, they gotta have cameras, dude. It's a church right there. Let's see if I can hook up this Bluetooth real quick. And man, I might have been too early to drive this thing. said 1 to 4 shift for fuel. Fuck that. I can get rid of this fuel. I miss this thing. Such a nice car, and I hope you guys are ready for the content that's about to come. The content is just gonna, I hope it continuously gets better, because I don't want to be sitting here, you know, just doing nothing, you know. I don't want to produce videos that get worse or just stay the same. I kind of want to get better. Obviously, I'm not going to be producing no Mr. Beast edits or nothing, but I'll hit you with a couple fucking sway-ins and a, you know, I'll edit it pretty decent to the point where you'll enjoy it. This thing's super dusty. I might just wash it a different day. Today was a nice day for at least a drive. Get it out of the garage and feel the beast again. I swore, man, that clicking noise in my trans was gonna ruin me, and I hear all that dirt just kicking up right now. All of it. Just kicking right up. Pop the clutch, crash into that bank. It's 8 in the morning, man. I can't do that to anyone. If it was later in the day, maybe. But now that we got this Mustang out, content's coming. I had to hit it once, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. And if you guys can, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.